We have to come to our senses. We can't do this anymore. You know it's way too expensive when we are at war. Lately I've been feeling so senseless. This line that we have to draw. Each time you act so defensive, and that's when we crash to the wall. It should have been my La La Land, could have been my champion. Guns and Roses.
Yeah, boy. We're on. Oh, look. Oh, so this one's bigger. Jack! Now what? Nice looking. Just a little one. Aiming for that big one soon, hopefully. Ew. Oh yeah. Oh fuck. Ah. Oh, stick. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Have you put your GoPro under the water?
Not yet.
Should. Yeah, so we just spotted a little workup here. No birds, but we could see the kingfish going crazy. So this little calm section of water, very glassy. So we're gonna drop the jig and see, pump ourselves a legal one. Let's get it. Oh, oh my days! Oh my!
Are they big?
Massive! They're actually so big. Oh my days! Oh, it's massive! Oh my days! They're so big. Oh! 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 Oh, he's right here! Oh, they're so big! Oh, come on! Oh, they're so big!
They're just in a school!
Oh, they're following the jig. Oh, come on, please, 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 please.
They're right under you!
Oh, they're following the jig. They're following the jig.
What the?
They're following the jig.
No, that can't be a kingfish.
Those are massive.
That is too big.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh, you missed it.
I'm gonna jig with my soft bait.
Oh, they're so. Oh, that's. Oh.
Yo, there's definitely.
Oh, they're massive.
Please, Jesus.
If you guys hook up on that.
Dude, I just had one chase mine that was like huge.
They're so big.
Come on. They might, they were looking at mine.
Oh, they're right under you guys. I need to change over jig size. Oh my days.
Boys, this is I'm just happy to see all that. That's flat. I'm sure it will catch something.
Those things are massive.
Oh my god! That is massive!
Yeah, boy!
They're not going for it! Let's take this damn thing, you dumbass! Who's he going for? Oh my god!
Oh, there's also trevally.
Where's my GoPro?
There's trevally! I'm jigging, I'm jigging, I'm jigging.
Trevally! It's Trevally! It's Trevally!
There's everything!
Dude, I can't find the freaking GoPro!
Oh, they're going for the jig! They're going for the jig! Come on, come on.
Check your front. You're on the big one, bro. Check your front.
Oh, yeah!
Yes! Yes!
Oh, no!
No! Oh my god! Bro, get it.
Oh, they're big!
I can't.
They're big! They're big!
Is it tiny?
No, they're big! Oh, they all go for it. Oh, come on. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, they're so big. Oh, they're chasing it!
It's just a pocket. There should be something there. No, there's nothing.
Oh, where's that little bit?
All through here.
Woo!
Whoa. You're on, yes, you gotta be on. Oh, look at that.
Yep, yep,
Yes.
yeah! Yeah, boy! Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, I don't know if this one's so big.
Nah, surely.
Oh, it's big!
Don't pull too hard, just let it pull,
Yeah.
bro.
Oh my days!
No way there's Trevally here as well, dude. There is, I just saw Trevally.
Oh, he's big.
What?
Oh, oh, they're all behind you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, boy.
Oh my god, man.
Oh, this is the one we're searching for.
Yes.
Oh, they're all following this one.
What's that?
They're all following this one.
Right next to Jared.
Oh, flip, that's big. The drag is so tight.
Let's go! Don't lose it, mate. You got this.
Oh, there's way bigger ones.
Need a hand?
I got. Ah!
Yeah! Don't lose that thing, Jared.
Yeah, boy. Oh, they're all under.
He doesn't. We just found the juicy spot. Turn me around, turn me around.
Ah, fuck. Yeah, boy.
Send them away. Juicy one. Come on.
Oh, they're on the surface right there.
There's trevally. Look there. Maybe I dropped the bait down.
Oh, I just want the kingfish. Oh, they're all here. They're all here.
Oh my gosh. Woo!
Oh, that's a big one. They're following it. They're following it.
Yeah, I just saw them all go down. I'm just here.
Yep. Yep.
Let's go!
Ah! Ah! Yeah, boy.
Jared, let's go! Boy! Woo! I don't think they're going for mine. Yeah, why did my jig hit the plane?
Do you want one of mine?
Huh?
Do you want one of my jigs?
Yeah.
Yo, come here. Well, let me land this guy first.
Yeah. I'm using like a small version of yours pretty much.
Ah! Oh, the kayak is crazy. Come on.
Oh, they're all behind us.
Oh. Oh, he's not bad. Oh, there's so many trevally. Oh no, oh no. Okay. Ice King. Let's go. Oh my days, it's so hot. Where are they gone?
They're right over here. They're right here though as well. My soft bait.
Oh wait, let me just get past. Oh, those are, they're all on the surface.
Yeah.
Just got stung by a bee. Nice one. Oh, flip. Can't get the stinger out. I broke it off. I got pliers, but they're not working. Oh my days, there's leather jackets.
Leather?
Like this big. Ah, oh, flip. Look at all that. Yeah boy, get that. We got the action. Crazy. Come on, man. They're all the way over there now. Where are they gone? Oh, they're right here. Oh, there's a couple of bigger ones chasing it down. Yep. fish on. Oh, you see the small doesn't know he's hooked. Oh, there we go. He's realised.
Ready?
Yeah.
Where have they all gone?
There were a couple of bigger ones that were chasing it, but this guy managed to get hold of it. We're on. I don't know. Oh, he's fighting weirdly. No, he's not big.
Not big?
Nah. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Oh, it's not even that big, jeepers. Don't move. Yeah, boy. Look at that one. A bit better, but let's get him back. Phew! Okay, so we're just heading in at the moment. It's currently like, I think 11 AM. So we're just gonna head in, get the gear all cleaned up, and then maybe later we're gonna do a little fire on the beach with marshmallows and stuff. Let's get back. Kayak's on the roof. Just gonna strap it down and then go wash everything off. Yep. It is currently 7, so we're just waiting on the other 2, and then we're gonna hopefully get a fire started and cook some of the stuff up. Ugh. Perfect.
And deodorant. You can spray deodorant on fire. I'm Brazilian. You for this?
Flip it. Let's get it started. What? Yes. Yeah, boy. Get the coals and cook some of that stuff up. I don't know if you can see this, but it's got the double stacker.
There's no wind down here. Was it like a New Zealand one? No. The van's one. Woo! Van, what was he going in? I'm the 17th.
Oh, trying to get off.
No, but like the house is from by itself.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's a little burn. Three for 3. Appreciate the support. See you next time.
See you.